Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you header won't resize in Wix. So how do you actually fix it? Well, in this case, first thing that we need to do is we need to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and open up your web page. Now in this case, I'm already in my admin page here, so you could go ahead and click on edit site. It's up right of the screen, either in the home or in the setup page here. In this case, once you click on it, it should open up your editor. As you can see at the very top, this is where your header is located. Now typically when you actually click or press and hold on this resize button, you should be able to resize your header. As you can see, I'm able to actually make it a lot bigger or a lot smaller depending on what I actually prefer. But sometimes this will not be available to you due to some reasons, and in this case it's going to be the layers that you currently have. Now sometimes if you don't place your layers properly, you might have some issues. Now in this case, to fix that, just right click on your section here, choose the option that says overlapping items, and choose the see all layers option. In this case, I would suggest you, if you see any layers that is not appropriate here, like for example, if you see a column or a vertical option here, you could go ahead and just click on those items, and once you see on it, you could go ahead and just start deleting them. In this case, once you've deleted all the invisible items or hidden items in here, most likely the option for resizing your header should now be available to you and should now be working. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.